Meaning of harmoniously.
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 Harmoniously. The term harmoniously refers to the state of things or individuals being in agreement or in a pleasing arrangement. It is associated with balance, unity, and cooperation that results in a peaceful and pleasant coexistence. When people work together harmoniously, they are more productive, creative, and inclined to achieve common goals. It promotes a sense of understanding and respect for diverse perspectives. In summary, the concept of harmoniousness is significant in creating a positive environment that fosters mutual respect, teamwork, and a shared vision towards a better future.